New Lab is a facility in the Brooklyn Navy Yard that is meant to serve as a hub for innovation in design and new manufacturing techniques. The main feature of the space is lots of inspirational collaborative work areas where people can expand and grow their business, as well as access to full prototyping shop. Where people can experiment with designs and be able to prototype on site.
So this is our shop, and it's a communal shop. We all contribute with money to buy new machines. We share all of our other hand tools and machine tools, and we're looking to actually make some more partnerships with perhaps other bigger companies like Haas or something to get some other machines in here.
The concept was developed by Macro C, which is a real estate developer in New York City. They're a pretty non-traditional group that got started doing what we call interim use projects, where they kind of just reimagine how a dead space in New York could be utilized. The idea is to be able to grow this sort of subset of the more professional maker community, people who have actual businesses where they have products that will eventually be scaled to widespread manufacturing. So it's less about tinkering, even though that's an important part of this community. Our focus is on groups that are manufacturing at scale. This is the beta space. It's an 8,000 square foot space that is actually looking over the construction of the larger facility, where we wanted to test a lot of the concepts that are going to be integral to the main building, which is what happens when you put people from non-competitive industries who are trying to develop scalable products next to each other and give them access to a small machine shop. And eventually we're going to have some additive machinery too, so people can prototype on site. And then sort of developing programming here, like having hackathons, having office hours for different people, like intellectual property specialists or process engineer specialists, and also attracting actual tenants who are working more on the software side so that people can really influence their design process from start to finish. This is the first wing right here, is what the New Lab concept, where that is going to be. It's 54,000 square foot footprint, and then we're going to add an additional 40,000 square feet or so of mezzanines for additional space.
It's huge.
It's really big.
Yeah.
It's going to have 80-foot ceilings, which hopefully will be useful if people are trying to prototype a wind turbine or something.